and it will be a very loud signal. Ooh, this is a little higher number than I would expect. What do you think?
This gentleman hired my metal detecting services to locate a lost tungsten ring before the heavy snowfall returns to southeastern Ontario.
It's in this half. What color is your ring?
Black.
My man! My man! There's your tungsten ring.
Oh, we must record this.
Crazy,
This
right?
man is perfect.
You got it, man. There you go. You can clean that on up. Right on, man. Knuckles, man. That's awesome.
you, man.
That's so awesome. I'm so glad that only took, what, 5 minutes?
Yep.
Oh, that's great, man. Fantastic. First snow recovery here.